What's going on, my beautiful dolls and divas? We are doing a fun alopecia solution today. We are going to be living out her hairline. It is growing in very, very well. Her area of concern is in her crown. So she's able to go ahead and continue to treat her hairline with it not being inside of the base. So she is still getting a lace closure, but she does not like the glue adhesive, got to be gel, none of that jazz. So we're going to go ahead and give my beautiful client what she desires. We are also using my hairline snatched. We went ahead and did a ombre custom color, giving her something cute and red. And we're going to have some fun today. Make sure all my beautiful new dolls and divos that's on my channel, I want to give a big shout out. Y'all made this year 2023 very successful for me, regardless of y'all liking my old or my new. We keep it going here at the Hair Vault. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to keep up to date and to maintain with the new things that is coming, my beautiful dolls and divos. So I am going to be doing a combination of tools. Right now I'm using my Hatoro thinning shears. I went in with my Baby Bliss cordless clipper to go ahead and take out the weight much faster. I'm going on with my textured shears to take away some of the bulk and to add different movement. And this is much faster than using a regular shear. This is your best friend if you're into extensions. Please invest into your cutting tools, and a thinning shear is your friend. When they be like, oh, it's too thick, use the thinning shear. Okay, now we also using the feather razor. So I'm using regular shears, thinning shears, a cordless clipper, and a razor to achieve this bob. My beautiful hair artists out here, if we are still $20 or this bob is included, we need to make sure we enhance our skills by going ahead and invest in our craft. I understand that YouTube University gives you a lot, but it's nothing like hands-on because you use your hands. I'm sorry to say. We use our hands for a living. All this look and learn okay? But we're going to go ahead and forever hold our peace. Well, why are you doing all that? Why would you use all the different tools? Because I ain't got all day to cut this bob. Time is money. We're going to get the same results. And when you add and use different combinations of what you learned and you know what does what, then you do your own flow. This is not a tutorial. This is just how I do it. Now, I went ahead and cut away some more layers, and I used the clipper to still add texture. You see, I'm point cutting. I'm still point cutting with a thinning shear. If you know your angles, if you know your precisions, if you know how to use your tools, then this will make sense, okay? Everything ain't amateur, okay? I don't have it in me. To me, hair is a natural gift. I do my best. I'm not sitting up here saying y'all not doing what y'all need to do. But at the end of the day, please get your creativity on. Okay, this is not Soldier Boy. I need to tell you left stop, right stop, left right. No, okay. What you feel, what you flow, what looks good on your client. And client, you want an artist that can create what looks good on you. We went ahead and did some cute red because you know your girl loves to color extensions. If you have not picked that up by following me on my channel, guess who got their social media back? My Instagram is back, y'all. It's finally Posh Hair Designs like it needs to be, okay? So we just going to go ahead and finish it off. I'm very picky. I normally take 30 to 45 minutes to cut my bob. I kind of fast forwarded. It was a lot of content when it came to it. I kind of held back a little bit because I'm like, y'all probably don't want to see all that. A bob is a bob to y'all, right? You know, so I'm going to go ahead and just use my Babyliss. I don't know what it is about the blue. Maybe it's just in my mind. But I'm going to go ahead and get another 1-inch rose gold. Because for real, it heats up and everything. But it just don't do what my 1 3/4 do. So that's why I keep on touching that same piece. I went ahead and used holding spray by Influence. You can use whatever holding spray that you want. Make sure it's mild. So your hairstyles can last your clients a week and a half, 2 weeks. When they go ahead and use the proper hair care. okay? And I go back and make sure that every little piece is what I need it to be, you know? So you can go ahead and do your cleaning up as you curl. I'm thanking every last one of y'all for watching me every week, even though some of y'all still on 2 years ago video talking about crocheting, girl. Isn't the comments disabled for a reason? Catch up to 2024. We growing here now. It's different levels of alopecia. My gift is to go ahead and create illusions and hair growth. Okay, I'm not a girl that like glue too much. My doll did not want glue, so we went ahead and gave her closure, giving her the illusion of having her hairline out. And I hope y'all like this video. The color is everything. I had so much fun slaying her for the holidays. She is one of my regulars. I can't wait to talk to y'all next week. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. Until next time, deuces. And always put yourself first. Ow.